Welcome to SPS Digital, where we post reviews and demo videos of profitable software and tools that will help you grow your business. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video.
So the product that we have today for you is called Local Leader. It is a lead generation software for local businesses, which finds with just a few clicks leads from any part of the world and any kind of business. Just pick the kind of business you want to go after, pick the city, town, state, country, and you can get highly qualified leads from a database that updates every day in real time. And when I say highly qualified leads, I'm actually talking about 20 different data points that help us determine exactly where a particular business needs help. So Local Leader as a product has been created with lots of time and pain and money and sweat and tears to create something that absolutely puts the power back into people's hands. I have often been approached by people offering me leads for $10, $20, $50 a piece. So think about the power of this software. Well, not just that, Local Leader has the capability to email these leads right from within the platform.
Hey, this is Lou, and I want to welcome you to this demo of Local Leader. I'm going to show you how to generate targeted, qualified leads and how you can send offers to them right from within Local Leader. As I do that, I'll show you some of the other features as well that are part of understanding what Local Leader is and what it could do for you and your lead generation. All right, so here we are at the dashboard. You can see here, you can find and go to previous searches. You can look at the ones that you have saved, that you favorited, and you can manage your email and track it from here. All right, the built-in cold email system is, here's the agency profile section. You can add your agency name and email, your phone number, your website, right here to upload the logo and then save it. And here you have your settings. And in here, you'll be able to set up your SMTP for your email account, your Mailvio API for your integration, and you can also reset your password. Now, we're going into the heart of Local Leader, the find qualified targeted lists. So we are going to do our project right here, our project name, restaurants in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. So then we're going to go and add our keyword here, restaurant, and then our location. If we start typing, it will suggest cities, towns throughout the world. Gatlinburg, Tennessee, USA. There we are. Now, if we were to put in something like Springfield, right? Springfield, there are Springfields all over the US, right? If we were to put in York, I get England, I get York, Pennsylvania, I get York, Ontario. So all over the world is where these searches are done. You're able to search, but we're looking for Gatlinburg, so we're going to put that in. There's Gatlinburg, Tennessee, pops up. We select that, and then we search. Now, at this point, it's the next screen that tells us to recommend waiting up to 5 minutes to ensure maximum results. Now, that's because Local Leader is not simply an email scraper, all right? It doesn't just go around looking for @ symbols on websites. It goes through and effectively grabs quality leads targeted to that area and that niche that you're looking for and gives you a ton of information right on the front end. So let's give it some time to do its work, and we'll be back in just a moment. And we're back. Now when we click here, we'll see the page load with all the information that we need. And you'll see it's not simply a scraper. It does not just give us email addresses. Sure, you could get this information from just there from the website, but not all of this information. Maybe you can find a website too with a scraper, but you're not going to find LinkedIn information and to click the link to go right to it. You're not going to find the Facebook page information and who's using their Facebook page. You see, a lot of these restaurants are using their Facebook page, but this guy isn't. He's got some Twitter and Instagram stuff, so he understands social. You can also look here to see the ranking on Google. And that's what that number indicates, their niche in the ranking for Gatlinburg, Tennessee. This is interesting, the reviews and ratings section. So it shows you the reviews that they've received and their star rating on a 1 to 5 star rating average. You can use this as a great way to help people who have low ratings or few ratings to help them with reputation management or review getting. So you see this guy here has 2,700 These other guys have less, and any of the not green stars here, like Shoney's, could use some reputation management work. We could offer them services in that area. There's other ones down here that are in need as well. So you can look through those as well. You can look over here and see how many of them are using advertising online, whether it be Google or Facebook advertising. Are they using a retargeting pixel system? Again, Google or Facebook. You can get that information right there. And then what subcategory they are in the niche of restaurants. So we want to look for people who are not utilizing their Facebook. That's going to be our target group. And we're going to offer them the service of a free Facebook page creation to gain their business, so that we can also go after them with retargeting and Facebook advertising that can give us a continuing income that recurs on a month-to-month basis. So what I'm going to do is look through here for restaurants that are not using their Facebook page, and then also are not using retargeting pixels or Facebook advertising. We're looking for people who understand social, ideally. So this guy here, the Greenbrier Restaurant, he doesn't have a Facebook page, but he knows what social is because he has a Twitter and an Instagram page. He's not using any kind of advertising or retargeting pixel and has some good reviews. So we're going to save him. And then we're going to look for another one. Oh, here's another one. He's using advertising. He's using retargeting, but not advertising. This one here, not using anything online. So there's a place we can step in and offer them all these services to show them how, while they do have a pretty good number here in the reviews, we can make it even stronger. Let's see if there's another one here. Oh yeah, this guy right here. The Local Goat. Okay, Local Goat here is not using Facebook, but is using Twitter. So we're going to save that one. No Facebook advertising. And then when we're done, we are going to then hop over to our saved leads. And here we see the restaurants in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Click on our saved leads, and we'll see the leads that we have collected. Now, you'll see this looks a lot like the last screen, because there's one additional column over here that allows us to email them. So this takes us to the built-in module for email. I'm going to go to this one here, the Greenbrier Restaurant, which has no Facebook page and no advertising and no retargeting. So we go into our built-in cold email composing module. And from here, we're going to make sure our SMTP is set up as we showed you earlier. And then over here, we're going to put, then this is who it's to, and this is who it's from, which is going to be me, which is lou@kivio.com. And then we're going to get a subject that's kind of relative here. We noticed you have no Facebook page. We can help. Right, and then we're going to go down to our WYSIWYG editor here and create a email that makes sense as an offer so that we can reach out to them. So we can also create email templates that allow us to then save them. So say we're doing a lot of work in a particular city, a particular niche, a particular service. We can create templates for those different things and reuse those cold email templates and turn them off or on and use our full WYSIWYG editor here. And then, of course, save the templates so we have it to use later. Here you can see other searches we've done here that include restaurants in Gatlinburg, restaurants in Cody, Wyoming. We've done antique stores and dog kennels in Reno, barbers in New Mexico, plumbers in Springfield, Virginia. There's a wide variety of services, of niches that you can offer and collect them from throughout the world in Local Leader.